Hey guys, welcome back. Now, in this one, we're going to do another way of checking. All right. Now, before we did how to do tracing, precedence, and dependence and all that. But what if you wanted to check the formulas themselves? What if there was something you needed to modify in the formula? Now, do you really want to go into every single one and check? Or do you want to just see the formulas? I reckon the second one's easier. So, right now, let's look at this one, value checker. As you can see, like with every other cell, it only shows the result of the formula. It does not show the formula. What we want to do is see the formula. All right. So the way to do that is you want to go to formulas. Then in this section here, which has been blocked out by this pop-up, there is a button called show formulas, as you can see over here. All right. Now, if I click this button, it's not only going to show the formula in these cells, it's going to show formulas across the entire worksheet. So let's do that now. There you go. So let me zoom out a bit and correct this. Now it's going to stretch out like that. Don't panic. It is just part of when it shows a formula. So if I unclick this, it's going to bring it back. So don't worry. All right. But for now, I'm going to reduce this just so we can see it. All right. So that one like that. Okay, so let's zoom in. Now as you can see, it's no longer showing just the result. It's now showing the formula. So from here you can just inspect it. You can go, all right, D3 12, D4 12, and so on. Okay, so E3, and doing it this way, if something is wrong, for example, equals that, you can see that the pattern is kind of ruined. All right, so it's another way of making sure that your formulas are correct. All right, so great tool. Now if you want to go back, all you got to do is click on that show formulas button again, and that'll bring it back to its original state, like so. All right, and because I changed the column lengths, it's done that. So don't panic. Easy to fix, if I can fix it, which I can't for some reason. There we go. All right, and that's how you do show formulas. All right, let me fix it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.